movers and shakers from the world of entrepreneurship. Today I'm going to speak about Henry Ford. Can you get the model of Yes, it's Ford EcoSport. Now, have you ever dreamt of owning a car? Yes, children, have you ever dreamt of owning a car? The most likely answer would be a yes. So today, let's meet the man who made it possible, Henry Ford. Who is Henry Ford? An American industrialist, a business magnate, the chief developer of the assembly line, the founder of the Ford Motor Company. This is the pic of Mrs. and Mr. Henry Ford. Henry Ford was born on 30th July 1863, Springville Township, Michigan, US. He died at the age of 83 on April 7, 1947, Fair Lane, Dearborn, Michigan, US. He was an engineer, industrialist, and philanthropist, known for founding the leading Ford Motor Company, pioneering a system that launched the mass production and sale of affordable automobiles to the public. Henry Ford was born to Mary and William Ford. He was the eldest of 6 children in a family of 4 boys and 2 girls. His father was a native of County Cork, Ireland, who came to America in 1847 and settled on a farm. Young Henry Ford showed an early interest in mechanics. By the time he was 12, he was spending most of his spare time in a small machine shop he had equipped himself. There, at the age of 15, he constructed his first steam engine. The Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution is one of the most significant events in all of world's history and had a profound impact on the modern world. It began first in Britain in 1700s. One of the key features of the Industrial Revolution is the development of a new inventions that led to more automation by machines. Before the innovations of the Industrial Revolution, most production depended on water, wind, or human energy. The businesses that existed at this time were called cottage industries. Children, this is the pic of Model T car. Henry Ford's invention of the automobile is one of the most significant inventions from the Second Industrial Revolution. Henry Ford's significance is that he developed the first affordable automobile that was produced on a mass scale to a wide audience. This is the pic of Highland Park Ford plant 1908 to 1910. Now, did Henry Ford make the first automobile? No, Henry Ford did not invent the first automobile in history. The four-stroke engine was first invented by German engineer Nicholas Otto in 1861. This is the same technology that Ford used in his automobiles and is the basis for modern gas-powered engines. Ford's perseverance and ability to overcome setbacks. Early failures taught Ford valuable lessons and sparked his future success. His first automobile, the quadricycle, was not a success. He couldn't get his product fine-tuned enough to sell. Perfectionism got the best of him and lost him his financier, William H. Murphy of Detroit Automotive Company. This is the pic of Ford's quadricycle. But Ford believed that failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Ford's first car, Model A, had so many problems that the Ford Motor Company had to send mechanics to every corner of the country to fix cars. But when the mechanics came back, they came back with feedback. Feedback that Ford immediately implemented in his assembly line. With that, they kept shipping, kept making mistakes, and kept learning. It took 5 more years and countless failures before the Ford Motor Company came out with the world's best automobile, the Model T. Now, what is an assembly line? An assembly line is a production process that breaks the manufacture of a good into steps that are completed in a predefined sequence. Assembly lines are the most commonly used method in mass production of products. They are able to reduce labor costs because unskilled labor workers could be easily trained to perform specific tasks. The introduction of the assembly line drastically changed the ways goods were manufactured. The credit goes to Henry Ford, who set up an assembly line in 1908 to manufacture his Model T cars. Children, this is the video of Sagar Chemical plant, which is situated in Gujarat. Achievements and awards. In 1946, Henry Ford was lauded at the Automotive Golden Jubilee for his contributions to the automotive industry. In July of that same year, 50,000 people cheered him in Dearborn at a giant 83rd birthday party. Later that year, the American Petroleum Institute awarded him its first gold medal annual award for outstanding contributions in the welfare of humanity. The United States government honored him in 1965 by featuring his likeness with a Model T on a postage stamp as a part of their prominent American series. Henry Ford, Fortune magazine named Henry Ford the businessman of the century. Ford believes that you can do anything if you have enthusiasm. Thank you, children. Thank you, ma'am.